Hello and welcome back to my channel. Girlfriend washed her hair, so I think I'm cute right now. But today's video was totally not what I thought was going to be going up today, but these items came in and I realized that when I show you guys videos here on YouTube, by the time that I show you the items, they could be sold out. And especially with this boutique that I'm going to tell you guys about, because their stuff just flies off the shelves. They have the cutest trendy clothing, and I'm just excited to share it with you today, which this is going to be my red dress boutique haul. So it's going to be an unboxing, a haul, try on, all that good stuff. It's been a long time since I've done one here on the channel, so I'm very excited to introduce the brand to you all and just show you what I got. If you're new here, I'm Davita and I share fashion and styling videos here on my channel every Sunday and Thursday, and I actually just kind of started filtering in some videos on Tuesdays because I have a lot of videos drafted and a lot of stuff that I want to share with you guys. So for now, you might be able to catch me 3 days a week here on the channel. I want y'all to subscribe to my channel, show your girl some love, and then hit that notification bell so you'll be updated instantly when I share a new video with you, especially for those surprise videos that I'll be sharing on Tuesdays. I also have my fashion blog, which is vidafashionista.com, and you can follow me on social media. I will put everything in the description box for you, but let's just get to this unboxing because I'm so excited to share. So here is the box that we are twerking with today. I'm just going to open it up and check out all the goodies. That was really bad. Let's see. Starting with a card. You'll look wonderful. Love you guys. So, what is the first item that I want to share? Let's just start from top to bottom. Let me take this out because this is going to make a lot of noise. Hold on. If you watched my summer trends video that I uploaded recently, then you will see that I shared that baby doll dresses are trending right now. So you will see a pattern in this unboxing and in this haul of a lot of baby doll dresses. So spoiler alert. But here's the first dress that I'm going to share with you. Ah, look at it. It's so cute. It actually looks just like the yellow baby doll dress that I showed you guys in my summer trends video, but this is in the color red, and I ordered this in a size small. This is the Take Nothing Less dress, and I got it in a size small, and this is such a pretty red color. I was afraid that it was going to be too like orangey, but it's perfect. It's gonna be so good and it'll be so cute for 4th of July and then just for my life in general, because y'all know that my favorite color is red. The material, it's lightweight, so it'll be perfect for the summer. And then underneath, it's actually not lined, but it's also not see-through. When we're looking at details of the dress, it has little eyelets, but they're not like this dress that I'm wearing. This is also from Red Dress, and it was also in my summer trends video, but this has like actual eyelets, you know, with the holes, whereas this one is more of like an embroidered eyelet. And then I also love that it has like the ruffle hem detail, and it's like 3 tiers. Very cute. Love the little ruffle sleeves. I cannot wait to wear this. Next up, we have this dress, and it's so pretty. I immediately love the colors, and I noticed that it is lined, so no need to worry about being see-through. This dress is called the Smooth Mover dress, and the color's black multi-floral. Got it in a size small, and this is another nice, very lightweight dress. Baby doll dress. It has a drawstring right around your waist, so you can adjust the tightness of it. You know, if you want to cinch your waist a little bit more or not, that is totally up to you. And then I just love the little bell sleeve detail on there, but then it also has like the elastic, which is where your wrist would be, so it just tapers it, and then you know, you'll be able to make it adjustable if you want to. So if you want to wear it fully down on your arms, then you can do that. But if you also want to like ruche it up a little bit, It'll stay. You don't have to worry about that. And like I said, the material is so great. It's lightweight, perfect for summer. Can't wait to wear this. There's so many different ways that you can style this. You can wear this with a pair of sneakers. You can wear it with a wedge. You can wear it with a denim jacket. You can't go wrong with lightweight, cute baby doll dresses for summer. Next up, we have this really pretty, another multi-floral dress. And now that I'm looking at this dress next to the dress that I just showed you guys, I feel like they might be the same dress, just in different colors. I don't know. They're very similar. So this one is called the Watch Me Bloom dress, and this one obviously is white floral, but it has those same arm detail with like the bell sleeve arms, and then it has the elastic that'll go where your wrist is. It's literally like the same exact material. It's also lined, and it has that same drawstring around your waist. So I definitely think that these are the same dresses, but either way, they're both very pretty. I got them both in a size small, and this would be another great dress, like, because it has red, white, and blue in it. So I think that this would be a fun take to wear on 4th of July. I feel like I'm looking in here, I'm seeing floral, I see some butterfly, floral. I see flowers, I see butterflies. I think that's it. But yeah, there's a lot of pretty little blue butterflies floating around in there. Let's take a break from dresses for a second, and I'm gonna show you guys a pair of sneakers that I got. These are called Caught in the Sun, and look at them. Aren't they so fun? I saw these and I just love the little star detail on them. And surprisingly enough, I think I have a pair of white slip-on sneakers, and I feel like that's it. Like, I feel like white sneakers is the one thing that I don't buy, or maybe I just don't wear them that often. But I saw these, I thought they were so cute. The star reminds me of like the golden goose. And then, look at that, it's just, this would be a great summer sneaker. I think I would definitely love to wear these sneakers with the red dress on 4th of July, and I'm ready for my barbecue. For the sizing reference, I did order my true size, which is a 6.5, and they fit perfectly. I would not size up, I would not size down. I would say that these run true to size. Moving back on to dresses. Next up, I have this gorgeous, gorgeous white dress. We all need a classic white dress in our closets all the time, actually, especially for summer. And I actually ordered a dress from, I think, Loft, probably identical to this. And I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have two of the same dress. Well, that dress ended up being sold out, so I'm glad that I got this one. I did not have a plain dress, so I have this one, but obviously with the sleeves on this, it makes it hard for me to wear this with like a jacket. This dress is so pretty. Hold on, let me get this together. This is called the Boldly Boho white dress, obviously. And I know that Red Dress Boutique has a lot of dresses that have this rope detail that you tie around your waist, and then it's like fit and flare, so it just, or like A-line, so it kind of like flares out, and it's just so flattering on all body types. I ordered this in a size small, and I cannot wait to pair this with like a denim jacket, a boater hat, and a pair of sandals or wedges. You can even pair it with some sneakers. It's just a very versatile dress. You can just do so much with it, and clearly very excited to wear it. You could also wear this on 4th of July, but I am not going to anybody's cookout in all white. The one thing I forgot to mention, which is the most important when it comes to white dresses, but this dress is fully lined. No need to worry about feeling like Marilyn Monroe. No need to worry about the wind blowing, and you know, there's a slip underneath. So that's very important, and that's probably one of the first things that I look for when I am ordering a white dress. And the last dress, we are ending with an absolute showstopper, and it is this dress, and just take a look at it. This is called Romantic Dalliance, and I don't know where I think I'm going to wear this dress. I mean, this dress isn't even worthy of me being in like lockdown going to the supermarket. Like, this dress needs to be seen and heard. So at least I get to share it with you guys. But it's so pretty. When I saw it on the website, I was like, that looks like it's going to be so perfect. But seeing it in person, it's beautiful. It's almost like a Zimmerman dupe. If you guys know what Zimmerman dresses, they're gorgeous, but they are so expensive. This one is the most expensive of the bunch, but it's under $90. I think it might be like $85. Very pretty. I ordered in a size extra small. Once again, like its name states, it's very romantic. It has these really pretty details on it. It has ruffles, it's got long sleeves, it's got, actually, this long sleeve, look at that. Fun little detail on it, and then it just goes down and ruches at the wrist. Love it so much. Guys, I just need an excuse to wear this dress and be seen somewhere. After putting this dress on, I'm not gonna lie, these buttons, they were work. I definitely advise that if you have nails, fake nails, don't. These buttons are very tricky, but nonetheless, it's so worth it. The dress is beautiful. It gives me like Victorian vibes. Still swooning over that last dress, but that is it for today's video. Which dress is your favorite? I feel like you guys probably already know what my favorite is, but I want to see what your favorite is. Leave a comment below. Also, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.